Hey, Loving Good Earth scientists, welcome back from our break. I wanted to go over with you your homework assignment, and that is to watch this video, and I need you to complete the foldable model that I gave you. So, you should have 2 sheets of paper, one that looks like this, and one that looks like this. Okay? So what we're going to do is actually just start with the easiest one, and that's this sheet, okay? And all that I need you to do is to cut it out around the outer edge, and then you're going to cut it in half. So when you're finished, you'll have 2 sheets that look kind of like this, okay, where I cut it in half and cut it around the edges. And then it tells you to glue the ends together, so I went ahead and did that, glued them together. Okay, or tape them, whatever you have, and then you need to fold it in half where it's even, and so it's going to take a little bit of you creasing on the end where you glued, but we want it to be lined up, pretty even on both ends. Okay, and then you're done with that sheet of paper. You'll have a really long sheet that's glued together, and they're lined up perfectly. Okay, so you can put that sheet aside. And the other sheet. So what you're going to do is take this sheet, and of course you're going to do what it says. You're going to fold it in half. Right down the middle. Line it up as close to the edges as you can. And now you have 2 sides. Okay? What we're going to do with this side is you're going to use page 204 in your science book. And you want to attempt to label and color all of these sections. Or you might be able to freeze the video. Make sure I have this lined up right. And create it, there we go. So I've colored and I've labeled. And what we have here is a view of the, under the ocean floor, and then you kind of also see, the water and the continent crust to represent that. So we want to color and label. Doesn't have to match perfectly in regards to coloring, but fairly close. And again, page 204 in the textbook could also help you. Once you finish, you're going to take this sheet of paper and you're going to fold it in half. And you can crease it, or you don't have to necessarily crease it all the way. I did not. I just kind of folded it and put it together. And you're going to cut on the black line. You're going to cut in to the end of the black line. Do not cut all the way through, or this whole thing will fall off. So cut with your scissors to the edge of the black line, and you're going to do that on all 3. So you'll have, a little bit that's still attached. Okay? And so when you open it up, you'll have 3 slits, and you'll have a colored section. Okay? And go ahead and put your name on both pages, maybe up in the corner, as well as maybe even on the back of this sheet. And in class, we're going to go over what we're going to be doing with these. So just all you need to do is cut, color, paste, and bring it to class, and you'll be set. Thank you so much.